Holly McKhann with this gorgeous listing in San Clemente. This spectacular home has been remodeled top to bottom, has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an incredible backyard like nothing you've seen before. I love this Dutch door at the front, so come on in and take a look at the rest of it. As you enter the home, you're greeted by this tremendous open concept floor plan. You've got a dining area, a kitchen, and living room all connected. The kitchen has these beautiful pendants in it for extra lighting in addition to all the can lighting throughout. The island features a built-in microwave, the drawer microwave, which is so nice to get it off the countertop, hides away, really nice premium feature. You also have stainless steel appliances, a dishwasher, and a 6-burner stove. You can really cook up for a big party here. And you've even got a pot filler, just that nice extra touch. The dining area has an incredible amount of built-in storage. I haven't even seen this much built-in storage in some kitchens, but you've got it just in your dining room besides the kitchen. It's got the soft close deep drawers topped with quartz countertops. As you make your way into the living room, you'll see a cozy fireplace, vaulted ceilings with all the lighting in the can lights, and there's even more storage. This whole wall features storage with drawers and cabinets. The primary suite features vaulted ceilings with lots of can lights and a sliding glass door out to the backyard that allows lots of natural light and airflow. Just imagine the kind of entertaining you could do in this backyard. Or if you're not an entertainer, just relax and enjoy it yourself. You've got 2 different levels here, raising up to this place that they're using as a dining area. And then there's these 2 storage sheds, which this family has created for a play area for the kids, as well as a little outdoor office for one of the parents. Just look at all the options you've got with this. The front yard of this home is also truly spectacular. The owners have upgraded it tremendously. They've got a gorgeous glass garage door, pavers on the driveway, and an entertainment seating out here in front of the home. You've also got artificial turf front yard and backyard for easy, low maintenance and a very low water bill. If you don't know, this home is right near both San Clemente downtown as well as the Dana Point Harbor. Either direction, it's only 10 minutes to get to a beach and all the fun amenities that the local attractions have to offer. Furthermore, the home is on a cul-de-sac, so little to no traffic comes down here, and if you're someone who enjoys hanging out with the neighbors in a cul-de-sac, this could be a great option for you. If you'd like a private tour of this home, contact me at my information below, because this is not going to last long.